Hello, welcome my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to draw this type of angle line in a box. Right. You think you want to draw this type of angle line in a box. First, you should want to draw the box. Okay, I will draw the box. The polyline and 100 box. 100, 100, 100 and right. After you should want to draw angle line. In here you go home panel and you should want to get hatch command. This is a hatch and click this and you can see this type of taskbar and you can choose this one. Get this ANS 131 angle line. Click this and put it. In here mouse left click. Okay. Then you can press ESC in keyboard. Right. Then you can see how to draw the angle line in a box using hatch command. Right. Then you can see you can change these properties. Double click this hatch command. Then you can see this type of taskbar. You can change. You can on. Right. You think you want to this angle line 30 degrees? Type 30 and enter. You can see it's changeable. You think you want to draw angle line 90? Press 90 and enter. Anyway, you know how to draw the angle line in a box, right? Thank you very much for joining with me.